actually see them.
Yeah.
We're doing this next year.
What?
We're coming back here.
Okay.
This was worth it. This was worth the money I spent.
Yeah.
Look, you can see where they're setting them off.
Yeah.
Hey, you did come back.
Yeah.
Axel, I was using your leg. You're fine.
What's up?
I'm surprised. That looked like Christmas color.
Yeah.
I like the red and green. I'd say when they're together because they look like Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, purple.
Red and blue.
Oh, they have my green. That's my green. That's a waterfall. That's a waterfall one. God, this makes me feel like a child again. Oh, wow. That was purple. That was purple. I guess that was red. Connie, thank you for dragging me to this. Huh? Okay. You're fine. I understand it. I'm here with mine. Whoa. That was
You can
tiny.
hear the booms over there.
Yeah, I know.
The big boom.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of them. That's huge. Okay.
Okay. Blue. Pink. No.
Are you starting to guess?
Yellow. Orange. No, it's pink. Purple. No. Red. Yeah.
Oh, I
No,
fucking love this.
Green. No.
this. It was so worth it.
Yeah. Sorry,
I'm sorry. I'm having to use your leg because I have the camera facing the wrong way.
It's fine. I had to adjust my foot anyways.
You look weird. Ah. Hang on, I want to get your star. Ah. You're welcome. I drew it. It could have been better.
Yeah.
I could have done a lot better. I should fucking didn't even put my tank top back on under this.
Right here.
Huh?
I think I hit right here.
Yeah, you're good. Big one. It is so much better to see these up close like this.
Oh my god, the fireworks are falling into the water.
Huh?
The fireworks fell into the water.
Oh yeah, they all are, pretty much. You have some that fall above you. Like right here, these will eventually fall down to the ground. All of these that are above us, they'll eventually fall to the ground. I'm surprised they're doing it so close to the trees. They're right over there.
I know.
That one looked like a Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
So hi guys, I know you probably can't hear me very well, but this was supposed to be posted on the 4th of July, but I literally fell
I'm
asleep
posting
right
this
after
video
I
too.
got this video, so I hope that you enjoy it, and I know it's late, but happy 4th of July to everyone who watches this.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you'll have to blow up my face then.
Damn it, child. I can, but damn it.
It wasn't my fault. I don't care about my
Oh wow,
own.
there's even a drone. Look above us, the green flashing light. That's a drone. They're watching from the air. That's exactly what they're doing. Wouldn't it be cool if Dad did that?
Yeah.
Can we put the paint in your bag yet?
This flag is still wet. Yeah, guys, look at my bag. All made by me. Got a British flag. British of
Well, then
America.
put all the paint in this thing. And slide the bracelets in the side pocket.
People are gonna get mad at me saying that, dude.
Huh?
British over America.
I'd prefer British over America.
Yeah.
America's prices just suck.
The UK is epic and awesome, and people that are hot.
Whoa, that one was cool.
Rock music. Boom! 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 I've searched high and low. I can't find her. Shane and Paige are here.
Fuck that.
I want them to see me. I hope they
Fuck them. I don't give a fuck that they're here. By the way, the video I'm making over here is going on YouTube. I just have to blur this one's face out. Or cover it. One of the two.
Audio.
Why do I have to do the audio? They can probably barely hear you. Did you put her bracelets in there? She's here. Give them to her.
Yeah, my wrist is stuck abroad. No, I did not hit your bracelets. I hit the keychain thing. The zipper. Because I wouldn't open. Dude, where did you go? I've been looking for you.
Here's your hat.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. try to blur your face out, but I'm not promising anything, okay? Huh?
I can feel the booms in my heart.
Oh, yeah.
Yellow. I mean, there's a bit of pink. Purple. Green. Oh, that's yellow. Oh, that's green, yellow again. Blue. No. Pink.
Thing. It's just weird that one kind of make a heart.
Yeah. Boom, boom.
I love the water fountain ones.
Yeah.
I felt that one in my throat.
Sorry, something is pinching my ass.
You're fine.
Purple. Blue. Got this one.
Yeah, these. Watch me figure out that Mom and Destry and them are all over there at the storage.
Oh yeah.
That would be fun. She said they weren't coming because they didn't have the gas.
Yeah.
When it's the precious boys and Ruby, it's their precious baby boys.
Yeah.
By the way, apparently Shane and his girlfriend's here.
I know.
I hope they see us.
Not them.
How long is that?
16.
Figured. Probably gonna be about 20
This is where I'm
minutes.
probably going to end this off. This video was a total of 19 minutes and some time left over, but my phone does not have that storage. So I hope you enjoyed what I did show. Have a great day.